Welcome to the best picks. The best bottle brush is probably one of the most important tools for parents and caregivers to ensure the health and safety of their little ones by maintaining clean feeding equipment. And today, we're diving deep into what makes a bottle brush truly exceptional, exploring key features, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep those bottles and nipples sparkling clean and germ-free for your baby. Number 5. Baby Bottle Brush Set. This complete set makes cleaning baby bottles a breeze. It includes everything you need for a thorough clean, saving you time and effort. With different sized brushes, it's perfect for all types of bottles and nipples. Each brush is designed to reach every nook and cranny. The long handles and specialized brush heads ensure a 360-degree clean. Say goodbye to stubborn milk residue. The soft sponge and nylon bristles are gentle on delicate nipples and bottles, yet tough on germs. It removes 99.99% of residue. Made with BPA-free nylon and sponge, it's safe for your baby and built to last. The interchangeable brush heads extend its lifespan. Spend less time cleaning and more time with your little one. This set simplifies bottle cleaning and ensures hygiene. What we like? This 2-in-1 brush tackles bottles and nipples with ease. It comes with extra brushes for straws and more, making it a versatile choice. If you need a complete cleaning solution with convenient storage, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits all of our bottle parts and makes washing bottles easy. This bottle brush works great for bottles and pump parts. The small brushes get into the small spaces of pump parts. The small brush fits perfectly into the larger brush, making it compact. Best set I have found for bottles and pump parts. I wash a lot of bottles. I have 2 under 2, and so the brush I use is extremely important. This brush thoroughly cleans all angles of the inside of the bottle with minimal effort. I use Avent bottles for reference. Also, the formula my kids drink stinks and it tends to linger in bottles, so this brush does an amazing job at cleaning the bottle really well, not leaving any milk residue. The nipple cleaner is amazing. I couldn't live without it. It makes your bottle nipples super clean and it takes no time to do it. Number 4. 7-in-1 Baby Bottle Cleaning Kit. This complete set makes cleaning baby bottles and accessories a breeze. It's compact and perfect for home or travel. The ultra-soft bristles are designed to thoroughly clean every nook and cranny, ensuring hygiene for your little one. Its innovative design makes cleaning easier than ever. It includes brushes for bottles, nipples, straws, and even a U-shaped brush for hard-to-reach areas. This set handles all your cleaning needs. It's versatile enough to clean a variety of items, from thermoses to wine glasses. This set is a multi-purpose cleaning solution for your home. The compact storage box with a built-in lanyard makes it easy to pack for travel. Take it anywhere with you for convenient cleaning. Made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone and PP, it's safe for your baby and gentle on bottles. It's a thoughtful gift for new parents. What we like? This 7-in-1 set is a compact powerhouse. The silicone bristles are gentle yet effective, and its travel-friendly design makes it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. If you value convenience and thorough cleaning in a small package, this is ideal. What people say. The bottle brush is much sturdier than many others I have purchased, even for my home use. The extra attachments to clean hard-to-reach areas on bottles and sippy cups are fantastic. The brushes themselves are high quality and effective at cleaning every nook and cranny of the bottles. I love that they're also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The different sizes of the brushes are perfect for cleaning various bottle sizes and shapes, from newborn to toddler. This set has literally everything you need for bottle cleaning in a small little package. Its compact size makes it easy to add to the diaper bag, and it's very durable, surviving a gulp of drops so far. It cleans really well and has held up against my newborn. Number 3. Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning baby bottles a breeze. Its unique design tackles even the toughest messes, leaving bottles sparkling clean. It combines soft sponge and firm bristles to effectively clean both plastic and glass bottles. Say goodbye to stubborn milk residue. Cleaning those tiny bottle nipples is now quick and easy. The built-in scrubber reaches every nook and cranny. The ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing it from slipping during use. It features a suction cup base for upright storage, or remove the suction cup and clip it to your sink for easy access. Get 3 brushes for all your cleaning needs. Always have a clean brush ready for your little one's bottles. What we like. This brush combines the best of both worlds with its sponge and bristle design. The integrated nipple cleaner is a game changer, and the no-slip handle ensures a secure grip. If you prioritize ease of use and effective cleaning, this is a great option. What people say. Great brush usually lasts a month for scrubbing bottles and does a great job getting it clean. These brushes are designed for baby bottle cleaning and they're perfect for that. I especially love the sponge on top, great design. Gets nice and soapy and good for cleaning. Easy to use, high quality, and soft so I don't feel like I'm damaging the bottles. Well built, does the job it needs to. Color is nice and size is great. Number 2. OXO Tot Bottle Brush. This isn't just any bottle brush, it's designed for easy cleaning and convenient storage. Its unique features make cleaning baby bottles a breeze. The included stand keeps your brush upright and your countertops dry. Plus, it's easy to clean and has a handy pour spout. It features both soft and firm bristles. The soft bristles are gentle on delicate surfaces, while the firm bristles tackle tough messes. Even with soapy hands, you'll have a firm grip thanks to the soft, non-slip handle. Cleaning has never been easier. Its flexible neck reaches every corner of bottles, and the included silicone detail cleaner is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots on nipples and sippy cups. It even has ventilation holes for quick drying. The stand comes apart for easy cleaning, and the brush fits neatly inside for compact storage. Say goodbye to messy bottle brushes. What we like. This brush boasts a convenient stand for easy storage and drying. Its flexible neck reaches every corner, and the silicone detailer is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. If you appreciate thoughtful design and efficient cleaning, this is for you. What people say. The bristles clean thoroughly without scratching, and the nipple cleaner is a great bonus for getting into small spaces. The stand keeps it tidy and allows it to dry quickly. The brush's soft and firm bristles effectively clean bottles without scratching, and the nipple cleaner is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. The stand is a great addition, keeping the brush upright and allowing it to dry quickly, which helps maintain hygiene. The built-in nipple brush is genius. I also think the holder is great. No more having to put it in the dish rack. It can stand on its own and dries a lot faster. Plus the holder has an opening to drain the excess water. Number 1. Boon Cacti Bottle Brush Set. This set is a must-have for any parent. It's perfect for cleaning baby bottles, sippy cups, and pump parts, making cleanup a breeze. This adorable brush set includes everything you need: a bottle brush, straw brush, nipple brush, and a detail brush. It's the ultimate cleaning solution for all baby feeding essentials. The durable nylon bristles on each brush are tough on grime but gentle on delicate items. It will get even the toughest gunk out of bottles and other accessories. The included vase keeps everything organized and catches drips, making cleaning and emptying excess water quick and easy. Say goodbye to messy brushes. Made without BPA or PVC, it's a safe and effective way to clean all your baby's feeding supplies. You can trust it to keep your baby's bottles and accessories clean and hygienic. What we like. This set includes 4 brushes to tackle every cleaning task. The durable nylon bristles are built to last, and the included vase keeps everything organized and prevents mess. If you want a complete, long-lasting set, this is the one. What people say. Great quality, does not take up too much space in the kitchen, brushes are smooth. This works for Stanleys, YETIs, and bottles. Love the different sizes for cleaning different cups. The different sized brushes work great for cleaning bottle nipples, and works well for hard-to-reach spaces like cleaning out breast pumps. It's a super simple design and looks much better than the previous bottle brush I was using. The drain tray is super convenient so the brushes will drip dry into the drainage container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.